Matthew 5, verse 3 and verse 3 to verse 3 to 4.
Ay, sakay ka na kami.
Blessed are those blessed are the poor who blessed are the poor in spirit, for theirs is the kingdom of heaven. Blessed are the meek, blessed are the mourn, for they comfort. Blessed are those who mourn, for they will be comforted. Blessed are the meek, for they inherit the